Next up on FamilyTECH TV, we've got the world's smallest live streaming drone. This is Amy Oztan with FamilyTECH TV, and I am here at CES 2017, and this is possibly the coolest thing that I've seen all day. I am here with Jepson of MOTA Group, and you've got some really impressive, really tiny drones here. What do you tell me about these?
Sure, I mean, this is the kickoff for the family. Drones are very expensive, as we know, so we tried to do is create a series of drones that were inexpensive, easy to use, and fun for the whole family. The first one is the world's smallest drone. It's half an ounce.
Half an ounce.
It comes in this beautiful little package right here. It sits inside, you pop it out, you play with it, you have a good time. The second is the world's smallest live streaming drone. So this drone actually has a small camera up front. You can see we have to actually use an arrow to show you where it's at. Through Wi-Fi, it links to your phone, and you can actually visualize and see what's happening. Or if you have a VR set, you can slide your phone inside, and you can live first person through that drone as it flies around your house.
Okay, so back up. Let me get this straight. I could take this tiny thing, connect it to my phone, have it hovering above me, taking video and pictures of big group shots, of landscapes, of buildings. How far can this get from the phone?
So this can get about 30 feet from the phone, 35 feet, and it will go up about 35, 40 feet. Vertically, it'll jump that high.
That's amazing. And then what's the control like with the phone? Like you can just keep taking pictures?
Yes, you can either live stream or take pictures. You've got a SIM card in here, so it downloads right to that, and then you can plug it into your computer and share with your friends and family.
Wow, and how long does the battery last while you're doing all of this streaming?
Lasts about 10 to 12 minutes.
Oh, you can take a ton of pictures and video with that.
Yes.
That's very cool. And can anybody use this? Like, do you have to have a lot of piloting ability to do this and to keep it steady to take a picture?
I'll be very honest with you. A 7-year-old is going to use it a lot better than you and I. Okay, they have that tenacity.
That was harsh.
It is harsh, but it's like my 3.5-year-old daughter can snap through an iPad quicker than I can.
That's true.
The kids are, I take this out to the neighborhood kids. I let them fire it up. The dads try it. We run into trees. We run into cars. The kids grab it. They shoot it up. They go, "Dad, we're going to take your picture now," and then they land it.
Amazing. And what can you do with this one? Like that looks like you could.
So it is similar to this one. But what you have here is you have a little more in-depth remote control, so it's a little more touch responsive, and this actually has a hovering technology and a cage around it, so that unlike this one, if you bump into a wall, you don't hit the propellers.
Okay, so if I want to use one indoors and I don't want anything banging into my TV really hard.
That's right.
That would be the one.
That's your safety one.
That is so cool. And what about somebody who is more adept at flying a drone? Are they going to be bored with this, or can they do cool things?
No, so they can do cool things. You can fly this, it'll do flips. You can go left and right and then jump a flip. You push down the button and then any direction and it'll flip that way, forwards or backwards, any direction. And then also with the videos, you can really challenge yourself with how you shoot video, what you do. And once again, you've got these, so all of a sudden you go from I'm shooting a drone to I'm living in the real world here, I'm out of the real world, and I'm following my drone around.
I can imagine if I were like a wedding photographer or something like that, the amazing things that I could do with this. The possibilities are huge.
And that's where you jump from in the MOTA line, right? We have from the smallest drone in the world to the most expensive drone in the world at $250,000 base price, and everything in between. So what you get then is you can graduate. So if you want to learn how to drone, spend $30. If you know how to drone already and you want to fly and take pictures, let's upgrade your model a little bit, let's test your experience and graduate further on up the road.
Excellent. I cannot get over how light this is. This is so tiny.
Half an ounce.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Really
Thank
great.
you.
Thank you. This is Amy Oztan with FamilyTECH TV here at CES 2017.